Stingray Alley, how can I help you?
Hey, I was looking up to close the deal for the car.
Oh yeah, perfect. I actually just got off the phone with the bank. All they were looking at was just needing some proof of your income, if you can send that over to me.
Yes. It's going to be a weird photo, but it's my only proof of income.
Yeah, no problem. Send it over and I'll get it.
Thank you so much, bro.
Perfect. We're finally gonna be able to get this thing out of here. We've been trying to work on this guy for a while. Did you get a fax in yet? The fuck? This guy? I've been working on this deal all week. Proof of income. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Hey JJ, it's Bobby.
Hey, Bobby, what's up?
Yeah man, I got that proof of income. It's just a picture of you holding $400.
Yeah, that's my proof.
Yeah, no man, we need some bank checks or, check stubs, not a picture of you holding some money.
I can put more money in the picture.
You know what? Let's do it, JJ. Put another 100 in there. Let's see what we can do.
Thank you, Bobby. You are the...
Another one sold. Hey, Itzy, we got another one sold. Upload this proof of income for me, would you?